My backyard is a test for patience and persistence, and it's incredible.
Jackie Nelson's backyard is a bit different from the yard that you and I might be used to. It includes a spring creek that's ideal for fly fishing. But this backyard isn't just a place for family members to catch some trout and enjoy their Montana scenery. For Jackie, her husband Tucker, and his parents Roger and Mary, it's also a working cattle ranch that's been in the Nelson family since the 1860s.
We run about 500 mother cows. 500 cows sounds like quite a bit, but nowadays it's not that big operation, and so you need something on the side really for the ups and downs in the egg industry.
The Nelsons decided that agritourism could help address those ups and downs of agriculture. So, opening up their creek, they built a lodge and began welcoming fly fishing enthusiasts from all around the globe.
I'm from Yarmouth, Maine, and I come out west about once a year to just enjoy the wonderful scenery and most especially to see if we can catch some fish on some of the gorgeous water that's out here.
The reason people like these creeks so much is the challenge, I would say. The challenge and the quality of fishing.
In addition to the naturally occurring fish populations in the ranch's waterways, the Nelsons also have a commercial fish operation, raising trout and providing fish to other locations in the West.
Some of them go to a group of guys that are processing them, going to Yellowstone Park and to restaurants locally, and we stock ponds around Montana that are licensed through Fish and Game for just private ponds.
The Nelsons have also done a good deal of conservation work, fencing off cattle to protect water quality, restoring creek beds, and stabilizing banks to control erosion. Add that to running a ranch, and everyone is busy.
It really is a family business. I mean, it's a lot of hard work, a lot of time spent, and we have a lot of different hats we wear.
Sure. When were you thinking of coming?
My wife pretty much takes care of the fishing lodge, and my son and daughter-in-law guide the fishermen.
Not only has the creek given the Nelsons an additional revenue stream, it's also given them an opportunity to share their ranching lifestyle with those who may not know much about agriculture.
Most times you go just to fish, but here you come and you see a family doing farming, and it's a wonderful combination of agriculture and a natural world.
After you're done working cattle at the end of the day, you don't want to see another cow, but after you're done guiding for a whole day, you do want to go fish some more.
It's a beautiful spot to live. You just feel good about it, and you feel like you're contributing something to the better, and it just feels good.